obviously. Now to China, where relative calm returned after weekend protests, and authorities provided an update on vaccination plans for the elderly, something that we talked about yesterday. Eunice Yoon joins us now from Beijing. Hi, Eunice.
Hey, Joe. Well, the authorities said that they have made some progress with the vaccination of the elderly. They say that it's now at 65.8% for those who are over the age of 80, and that those are the people who would have one shot. So better than before, but they said that they are ramping up the vaccination drive. However, there was no discussion of a mandate, and that's something that a lot of experts believe that China would need to try to have people overcome their vaccine hesitancy here. Now, the authorities had also not directly acknowledged the protests in any way, but they did acknowledge that there were some complaints about the COVID curbs, saying that the issue is the implementation and the excessive implementation of some of these COVID curbs, but not the COVID restrictions themselves. So again, what this is telling us is that Beijing is sticking by its zero COVID approach while mitigating some of the more egregious measures. What was interesting today, and what really investors kind of latched onto, and I think gives us a sense of a window into the mindset and sentiment here, is an unverified discussion that the leadership has been drafting a new narrative to try to get themselves out of zero COVID, but in a face-saving way for the Communist Party. So the discussion here, and again, unverified rumors, is that President Xi had asked the propaganda chief to draft this narrative, and that the story would be that BF8, this variant, is similar to the flu, and so now is the time to exit, and that the Communist Party would then declare that it saved 6 million lives and that it has achieved great things over the past 3 years. Again, unverified, but interesting because the current variant in Beijing is BF7, and also it kind of touches on what the Chinese government needs to do to try to redirect the propaganda from what it currently is among the public, that the virus is incredibly scary, that we need to kind of struggle and survive, and they have to kind of redirect this propaganda to say that, oh, mission accomplished, we've been able to do it. So the question is, how do you do that? And you need to have some sort of propaganda narrative first in order to try to really exit. And then, of course, you have to deal with the potential public health fallout, but that would come later. Guys?